Most courses absolutely suck and won't make you any money, and it's the worst thing for some people to ever do. And in this video, I'm going to share exactly why that is. Now, we've been able to make multiple seven figures with different courses on school. We won the school games. We're trying to help 1,000 people make $1 million in recurring revenue selling online education. And we run a program called Make Once, and it's got this freedom flow formula in it. You can check that out down in the comments. But the truth is most of your courses out there absolutely suck. They don't have a community. They don't have any form of recurring revenue built into it. They have way too much stuff going on with their courses. It's like a big book online, and people don't need that. What they need is somebody that can get into the trenches with them, actually create a clean, simple, least steps possible path to get from point A to point B. And a lot of people that create courses have no business even creating a course. They're literally copying it from somebody else. It's just garbage, right? And you don't want to do that. You want to be able to actually get somebody from point A to point B. Like, you know the steps. And when you put the steps in there, here's the problem. People just put a bunch of crap in a box and they think that that's going to cause it to be valuable. You don't want there to be a lot of stuff in there. Actually, if you think about it, if you had a problem, would you want there to be more steps to solve the problem or less steps? I mean, just think about that for a second. And would you want to go through a bunch of hoops and tech and crazy crap to get to the answer? Or would you rather it be pre-made, pre-built, and then have somebody that you can actually talk to get it done? And the problem with a lot of online education programs, and why 90% of them just die in silence and never make it anywhere, is because the people that actually create them, they just run crazy ads to them. It's just cold and cringy, and it's not built with, actually one person caring about another person actually getting it. Now, this isn't everybody, but a good, huge chunk and majority of it is. And you'll see people out there trying to get vanity metrics. You'll see people out there trying to do all these crazy things and stunts, and it's just, stupid is what it boils down to. And what it really is just the good old-fashioned, yeah, I know how to do that. Let me show you how to do that. You give me some money and I'll cut the time in half. I'll make it half as hard. I'll make it so much more fun, easy, less cost for you to get there. And if you can do that, and then you can consistently show up and teach people stuff and actually help them, like coach them, get on a live call each week with them, meet them in person, get a group together in person and actually connect with them. We've had hundreds of people to our house that have bought our courses. We've got mastermind groups where we work with them several times a week, and it's all group coaching. It's not one-to-one, which is, a huge mistake, but it's just the big thing is you've got to have a recurring model in there. If you don't, what are you doing? Because then you're just like, again, it's like you got to go swing the hammer in order to make money. And what you want to do is build something that you can put out there and it can keep making you money while you're doing something else. You got to have community. You got to work with the people and actually help them get this stuff figured out. And then you need a content engine that's out there helping you get to the people that have the problem that you can solve. So what we do, a simple breakdown of what we do is we basically first figure out what is it are you going to sell, right? Meaning, what problem are you going to solve? If you're not solving a problem, you're not going to make any money whatsoever. And you better have either solved the problem yourself, or you better know somebody that knows how to solve the problem and you position them in front of the people. Because you got two kinds of people. You got the people that can actually do the solving of the problem. It's a rare bird that can do the marketing and actually do the problem solving and all that stuff at the same time. That's a pretty rare person. But then you've got another person where they're really good at solving the problem, but they're not good at the marketing. Or you got somebody that's really good at the marketing, but not good at solving the problem. If you go to build an online education program, you either need to be able to do both, or you need to be able to have somebody that can help you do one or the other. And what you want to do is figure out, what problem can I solve? What problem am I good at solving? And most of the people that we helped, with our program, you can check it out down in the description. We work with people that are already smart at something. They're already an expert at something. They're already obsessive about a particular topic. And then we show them how to go from selling one-to-one or, doing a bunch of client work to being able to take what it is that they know, productize it, package it up into a digital program, and be able to make something once and sell it over and over and over again. So step one is, what problem can you solve? How do you get somebody from point A to point B? Who is that person? What is their current situation? What is the desired outcome that they want? And what's your path to get them there? You just create that blueprint. Then you got to go out and validate it. You got to make sure that the people that do have that problem, if they were to see the solution that you have, would they buy it? So you got to go do that. Once you have those things in place, okay, then what you're going to do is you're simply going to break down and figure out your offer. Once you have your offer dialed in and you have your I help this person go from this problem to this desired outcome with this unique method, once you have that dialed in, then you're going to simply go start getting in front of people, go out on social media, do live webinars, live Zooms, get on Facebook Live or YouTube Live or TikTok Live, and start talking about it and validating it, making sure that people are going, yeah, I want to know more about this. They're opting in, they're showing up, they're coming to more free trainings. This is going to validate and prove to you that people actually want this thing. If you haven't even built nothing yet, right? Once you get there, the next thing is, okay, now let's figure out our platform that we're going to deliver in. Let's get this thing laid out there. Let's get our offer in place. Like, how much are they going to pay? What are the special, unique ways that they can get started that saves them the money? Hey, if you do an annual price, you get 2 months off. If you do a monthly price, how are you going to create that urgency? What are you going to do to get them to jump in and be a part of it? Once that's in place, then we can start selling it. Okay, we go out on YouTube, we create that content engine, we start creating videos, we start putting that all together. We collect people into a newsletter. That way we're taking people from, YouTube or social media, if you will, where in a moment's notice anything could change and you could lose your audience, to getting them inside of something that you own the list, you own the audience, and you can nurture them, you can talk to them, because they're going to have problems, they're going to have objections, they're going to need to try to figure out how to trust you and what you're talking about, and it's going to take them time to figure that out. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to start building it with them. I like to sell it to like 10, 15, 20 people, get some founding members, give them special cup, t-shirt, I don't care what it is, get them something to become a founding member. I like to just have them, give them free training, get them live one-on-one training if you need to for those first few members, because you're wanting to collect a lot of feedback. And what you'll do is you'll get those people in, all right, and then you'll start building the program with them. I just simply put every step on a Google Doc, just a one-page Google Doc, and that version 1 is just going to be lean, mean, scrappy, ugly, but it's going to work. And it's going to be the most minimum steps that are needed, the most minimum things needed to get them to the result the quickest. That's going to be your version 1. Get that in, get that built. Once that's built, then you can start optimizing it, making it better each and every iteration. But now you've got something, right? You can talk about on content, when you do content to get more people, you can talk about the testimonials that came out of the founding group. You can show them screenshots. You can show them things that you've actually done with them to help them. This will help you get more leads, more sales. And then you can start optimizing it, because the way we build things out is our programs have a minimum of 1 weekly call. It's a group coaching call. It has a community, and then of course you have the program. And on those weekly calls in the community, you're asking questions, you're listening to the feedback, and you're going back and optimizing the program to make it more efficient, make it more quality, make it more progressive, make it better, right? And you keep refining that thing. And as you're solving those problems, you'll find that there's there's ways to make affiliate money. There's ways to keep increasing what you're selling to them. Because when you solve somebody's problem, you immediately create another one for them. And are you going to be the one to solve that next problem or not, right? And if you do, then you have another product opportunity. From there, to scale it, you're gonna start just doing tons of case studies, talking about your clients, okay? Talking about people winning. You know, I've actually got, let's see here. Just on the screen, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 testimonials that we're gonna be doing case studies over, just showing people how the program works. This will help you get more people in. This will help you grow your community. And from there, you can start thinking about what kind of systems could this turn into an opportunity for a software? Could this turn into an opportunity for, you know, really high-end experiences where you're charging, you know, lots of money for a single experience or a couple, you know, we paid 50 grand to go meet with somebody, you know, for 4 hours. Like, would you meet with somebody for 4 hours for 50 grand, right? Of course. So this is something that happens as you progress into this process. But you really need to be able to solve that problem. You really need to be able to help the person if you're going to create a program. You need to actually be there with them, have a live sort of experience with them each week. This is the stuff that makes these courses actually work, and not just be some crap course that's like a bunch of recorded, you know, copycat garbage, right? So if you want to learn our system, if you want to see how it works, go down in the description. We'll get you the blueprint. Jump on that newsletter. You'll get, you know, everything that we do, the step-by-step. Or you can just go buy our program. It's literally laughably inexpensive right now, currently, until the price goes up here soon. But you know, go grab that. Go check it out. It's over or down in the description. But the bottom line here is you need to make it very efficient, have some live interaction with your people, have a community, get a recurring method built into the process, and validate this thing before you build it. Don't go building it and then try to sell it without validating it first. Okay? So let me know down in the comments if you want some more information about this stuff, how we lay things out. And let me know some questions and topics that you have that we can start answering in the comments.